Hey everybody, back with you with another video, and today we're going to be unboxing the new Apple 4K TV. So we got this through the Spectrum plan. So yeah, that's just a little pamphlet. And there it is. Let's get out the box. There's the front, side, other side, and then the back. Nice. And then it also came with an HDMI cable, I think. Nice. So there you have the TV and the remote. Here's the back, front, nice and sleek. And there's the TV. There's the back. Super tiny. Little pamphlet. Just a charger. And another cable, I think, to plug in. Yeah. So there you guys have it. Everything it comes with. A nice little TV and then remote. And original price, I think this is around $200 without the plan, but go ahead and check Spectrum out. And thanks for watching.